Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas. Today we have this new video and a tutorial for a summer pattern. It's made with chain stitches and double crochets. It's very simple. It's these double crochets, and then they're kind of connected through 3 chain stitches and kind of build this little V. And with the chain stitches, you kind of connect the 2 double crochets. It's really simple. It's really quick to make once you have the base here. And then, how exactly the border works, it's actually really quick to make. And so this is how I'm going to show you how to make this in this nice, really colorful wool. And have fun. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you this really cute pattern with the wave wool. It's €3. It's meant for size 5 to 6 crocheting hooks. And it's 100 grams and 180 meters long. It's 100% acrylic, the composition of this wool. And I'm going to do this with my size 6 crocheting hook. And here's already the middle of the ball of yarn. And so this is how I like to start. And so I'm going to go and start with a multiple of 4. I'm going to choose 16 here. And then I will give another 7 for the border. And so I'm going to do 23 chain stitches here for the start. The 7 are another 4, but it's meant for the border. And so I'm saying a multiple of 4. So either 16 or 20 or 12, and then the 7 you add on either way. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is my base and my multiple of 4, so 16. And then we add the other 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Great. So the first 6 we are gonna skip. 3 for the kind of thing I showed you earlier, and then another 3 for height. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm all skipping all of these, and I'm going into the 7th one. So I'm gonna go skip all this and go into the first pink one here, and I'm doing a double crochet. All right, so this is my border here, kind of. The 7 ones, or 6 actually. And in the 7th one, we have the double crochet. Then we skip 2, and into the 3rd one, we go into and do another full double crochet, not a half. Then 3 chain stitches, and the next double crochet. Then we skip 2 and go into the 3rd one. And again, do a double crochet. 3 chain stitches. Oops. All right. And then here, another double crochet into the next stitch. Then we skip 2. Do another double crochet. And then again, 3 chain stitches. Oops. And then here again into the right next stitch, we go and do a double crochet. And so here we have 1 more of these packs left. And so we skip 2, do a double crochet, then add 3 chain stitches. And then into this very last stitch here, we do another double crochet. Okay, so what have we done so far? We had 16 chain stitches here as the base. Then we added 7 for this border here, what I have here to the right of my thumb, this here. And we have these 6 chain stitches and then the first double crochet. Then we skip 2, we do 2 double crochets, and in between the 2 double crochets, we add 3 chain stitches until we get to the end of the row. All right, so here we go with row number 2. We will start again here with 6 chain stitches for the next row. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we turn it all around, and here we do a double crochet around these chain stitches here of the row before. Great. And so we have the same pattern here, 3 for height and 3 for the distance, and then the double crochet here. The 3 chain stitches are equal in height to a double crochet. And so here we go into the next one, and we do a double crochet, do 3 chain stitches, and then again into the same loop, another double crochet. Then into the next loop here, we go and do a double crochet, 3 chain stitches, and another double crochet. And then we go into the next loop and do another double crochet. Then 3 chain stitches, and another double crochet. Then here we go, and into the last, or the first, depending on how you see it, these chain stitches, we do the double crochet, then 3 chain stitches, and another double crochet. And with that, we have finished row number 2. And you can see here how nicely this is growing. It's really, really loose. It's really nice and airy. And this is how I'll continue here. So 6 chain stitches. So 3 plus 3 basically, so 6. Take 6 chain stitches, we turn it around, and then we go with the first double crochet into the first loop here. And then we do the exact same thing we've been doing in the rows before. I'm going to show you an update in a little while. Okay guys, so here you can see what it looks like after a few rows. And you can see what the pattern really looks like here, how nice and airy it is. These openings here below the 3 chain stitches is a little bigger than the opposing one. And so you can see these little maybe triangles or loops here that put together this really nice pattern. It's really quick, it's really nice. You don't really need much wool for this. And yeah, thank you guys for watching DIY ideas. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free. You'll always be the first one to be informed about a new video. Please share this video with your friends, and see you next time.